Thanks for joining us in this edition of Renovation Time. We're in this beautifully renovated main bathroom upstairs in the second level, so a lot of stairs when you're carrying everything up. But I just want to talk this week about the bathtub, the tile around it, how it sort of ties in with the shower. And one thing about tubs now, it still is nice to have a tub in a house for sure, but it's not essential anymore. It's amazing how many people are taking out tubs and just putting showers in. But as you can see in this area we put in, this is a 60-inch by 30-inch width tub. Two thresholds on either side, which is quite nice, and I like how they kept the tub a little bit lower so it stayed underneath the windowsill. You could have potentially put a soaker tub in here, but I still like the built-in. Again, water could be one of those things they're considering too, because it's an older home. I'm not sure it's city water here or they're on a well, but it's nice not to have a big deep tub as well. That's something to consider. But the tile certainly blends nicely with the shower, which is great. And then the vanity and the floor. So in here, the floor, this is a luxury vinyl tile. You can come into the showroom. We have lots of it in the showroom to show you. But again, this is a square tile with a very small grout line. Looks amazing. And then the vanity, this is a decor vanity. So this is actually our kitchen cabinet supplier that builds these vanities for us. So they're very well built. So you get to pick the profile, the color, the hardware, everything. And as you can see, there'll be soft closed drawers. But this is like a bevel, and obviously with a darker color hardware. And the other thing I really like about this is how they went with a light countertop. It just sort of ties everything together. So hopefully that'll help you in your future renovations.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Anden Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.